Yep, this is the unit right here. You know, it's built all right. It recharges with USB-C, and you clip your phone in right here. It can either be horizontal or you can switch it to be vertical, of course. Nice little unit that I probably just broke. Here's a little test. I'm not sure if you would actually use this for your videography, but it definitely is pretty cool if you are somebody like me who paces back and forth, and maybe you're on a video call with somebody and you're just talking. Yeah, Brad, go ahead and send that spreadsheet over. I'd be happy to take a look at it and send it back to you. Or maybe you're on a Zoom with your whole team and you just want to look really snazzy because your camera or your phone follows you everywhere you go.